Welcome to our next Arbiter training video. In this module, you will learn how to edit features on your map. We'll show you how to modify attribute values, how to move features, modify their shape, and how to delete a feature. Then we will sync these changes back to the data server. Let's get started and open Arbiter. As before, we begin at the work zone and layers defined in our project. And here are the features we added in the previous training module. First, let's modify some attributes on one of our features. Select this point feature here, and to start editing, double touch it. Currently, it's in read-only mode. Across the top are three buttons: Edit, Delete, and Back. Edit changes the state from read-only to edit, and Delete removes the feature. We'll talk more about this button later. The back button takes you back to your map. Okay, let's change some things. Select the Edit button. Touch the field text and modify the information. When you finish, touch Save. From here, you can either go back to your map or review the attributes again. Let's go back and do some more edits. This time we'll move this feature. Select Edit to activate the edits. And notice now there is a new button at the top called Map. Select this button and you're taken back to the map. You are still in edit mode, however. Touch the point again, then drag it to a new location and release. Touch the Done button when you're finished. From here, you can update your attributes if you need to, and when everything is good, select Save. Let's go back to our map and see that our point feature is now moved to its new location. Next, let's do a move of a line segment. Double touch our line. When the attribute table opens, select Edit, then select Map. From here, touch the line again to activate it. Notice that now our line has these circles on it. The darker blue circles are at the endpoints and vertices. The lighter blue circles fall in between. Touch a dark blue circle like the one on the end. Then drag it to its new location. Next, let's touch one of the light blue circles and move it. Notice that Arbiter has added a new segment. This lets you change the shape of your line string quite easily. Select Done to continue. You're back at the attribute list. But this time, let's suppose that you decide not to save these changes. From here, simply touch Cancel and you're taken back to the map and no changes are made. You probably noticed the Cancel button at several places during the edits. You could have selected this button at any one of these places and Arbiter would end the edit session without changes. Now, let's modify our polygon. Double touch anywhere on it to initiate the edits. Select the Edit button, then let's go straight to the map. Before we edit the polygon, let's get in a little closer. We'll zoom in, then use Pan to put it in better position. Now, activate the polygon by touching it. The blue circles again appear, with the dark blue ones at the vertices and the light blue ones in between. First, let's reposition a vertex. Then, let's change the shape by adding a new vertex. When finished, select Done. Back to our attributes, make some changes, save the results, and back to our map. There, our polygon is modified. Let's zoom back out so that we can see the other features as well. This time, let's use the Zoom to Extent tool. Select the icon here. Our map is repositioned to the full extent of our work. Now, let's learn how to delete a feature in Arbiter. Let's delete our line. Begin by double touching it. From the attribute display, just select the Delete button here at the top. Arbiter opens a confirmation panel. Select Delete to finish the operation. Arbiter completes the edit and takes us back to the map. Our line is now removed. Notice, however, that you can still see a remnant of the line here. The line has been removed, but only from the device. In fact, all of our edits have been changed only on the device. The server where the data is stored doesn't know what we have done. We still have to sync our changes back to the server to fully complete the changes. Also, remember that we can only run sync when connected to our server. A green icon indicates that we have connectivity. Start the sync by selecting the icon. The update is in progress, and we're back to the map when completed. Notice that now our line is completely gone and that our polygon no longer shows an outline of the former shape. Also, notice our notification tool has incremented up higher. Arbiter keeps track of all changes and not just when we add features. Well, that's how we do simple edits to our features in Arbiter. Edits such as move, modify, and delete. We'll close things down now and get ready for our next training video.